Hello there, students from Beehive School. This is teacher Krishna, and welcome to your physics class for week number 12 for 11th high school. And let me tell you that this week we're going to have most likely a review on some topics that we had already seen. I will explain you why a little bit later. So, before we start, log into Agilex, enter your Google Classroom, download the Word document, save it in your physics folder. And this time you have to name it in the following way. And you need to add week number 12 at the beginning, then write down your code, name, grade, and section. And as we move, just take some very important notes on what I will tell you about so you keep track of what we have discussed during the video. So it's always important to start with our end in mind. So for this week, students will be able to review 3 topics in order to complete the assessments. Make sure to write down this in your Word document. Before we continue, you can pause the video if you need to and come back later on when you are ready. So we're going to jump directly to our evaluation. So please read and summarize topics 5.01, 5.02, and 5.03. So just like I told you, these are topics that you had already read, so that will be way easier for you. Just write down the most important information in your Word document. And pretty much what I just told you about, things that we have already seen in class. And when you are done, take the evaluation for each one of the topics. So here is the thing. And we had already worked on these topics in class. We even had some expositions about them. And I told you to complete the assessments for each one of the topics. But what happened is that I was checking Agilex, and I noticed that a lot of students did not complete the assessments for these topics. So we're going to be using the time of the period of this week to complete that. All right. So one more time, you can reread it to refresh your mind, summarize it, and when you're ready, you can take the evaluation. And if you still have any questions about those topics, you can just let me know. Observations, each evaluation is 3.3 points for a total of 10 points. It's pretty simple, and if you already read those topics and you have paid attention in class, I'm pretty sure you will finish pretty quick. So, wish you the best of luck, and that will be it for today's class. So I will see you around. Take care, guys. Goodbye.